Yeah, our flight's cancelled. Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. So today is July 23. Flight sana namin going to Manila, guys. And then early morning ng 25, flight namin going to US. Pero dahil may parating na bagyo, nag-decide yung ano dito na cancel yung flight ng Cebu Pacific. Pero yung Philippine Airlines, okay sila kanina, nakalipad sila. Sana Philippine Airlines na lang yung inano ko ay. Yung pinili ko. Tinanong kasi ako ni Brian, which airline you like me to book ticket for you guys? Cebu? Ya ako lagi kinangyawat, Cebu lang hani.
Barato na Cebu.
Barato gamay. Pinaribook namin doon guys yung ticket namin via Dipolog tomorrow. So sana okay yung ano namin. Sana okay, hindi din ma-cancel yung flight namin tomorrow. Kasi babiyahe pa kami ng ano guys, going to Dipolog.
Oh, makapit ng tadaan.
Pwede.
Maghanap muna kami ng sasakyan na medyo malaki guys, kasi yung Innova namin kailangan ko pa ipapaayos. And itong maliit na sasakyan, hindi kami kasya para travel going to Dipolog tomorrow. Ang gagawin namin is maghanap muna kami ng sasakyan kasi ayoko yung yung masayang yung ticket namin going to US. Anyway, hindi pala yung libre guys. Binayaran yun ni Mr. ahead of time. I think 6 months before umuwi kami. Yung ticket namin pauwi dito at saka pabalik, binayaran yun. Pero may employee discount. Again, mahal pa rin kasi for sure punuan din going to US kasi nga ang daming cancellation nung nasira yung website ba.
Free man siya yan.
So,
mahimo sa mga trans-passenger. Pagod sila.
Ayan. Hindi pa alam ni Mr. kasi for sure tulog pa yon kasi madaling araw ngayon sa US guys. Mamaya na yun bubuga ng apoy. Kahit bubuga man siya ng apoy, yung kapatid ko bumuga na ng apoy kanina doon. Pero wala hindi din man nila kasalanan. Pero dapat nag-abiso agad sila kasi 11 o'clock pa daw sila inanuhan ng
Really para mga tatawid mo.
Kasi hindi lang buti kami, lucky kami kasi malapit lang kami sa airport. Paano yung taga galing pa ng Tigbaw, galing pa ng Ipil, di ba yan?
Luway ka nangay daw pumasahe.
Luway kayo, niya kung ay pamasahe, nagbahak na.
Hindi ako tawon ko.
Okay. So, samahayo kami sa journey namin, guys. Ayan guys, bababa ako. Nakahanap na kami ng sasakyan. Pick up yung nagustuhan ng pamangkin ko guys na rerentahan namin for tomorrow. Going to Dipolog. Pina-check muna sa kanya. Baba tayo. Yung red horse, tagay ka.
Pero bayaran ako daan, sir. Ikaw yan. Sir, bakantin mo yan.
Alas 7 sa buntag, may na sayo.
Alas 6.
Okay, let's go.
Hindi ka tag alas 6.
Okay, nakarent kami guys, 3,200. 200. Okay na yan. Gusto ko lang talaga mahabol yung flights namin going to to the US guys kasi nanghihinayang ako sa ticket. Pag on this pass pa naman na ticket, alam kong may kamahalan talaga.
Wala din na sila magilabot sa inyong cancel diri sa
Dili eh. May nagka-connecting na yan. May tag
okay.
United to United. Di na sila manginlabot yun. Uwi muna kami guys. Kasi alam ko nag-aalala si Brianna. Kanina kasi pinauna ko muna yung kapatid ko at saka si Liam. Para kasi hindi kami kasya sa Wigo na sasakyan. Tapos akala ko pinrank lang ako ng pamangkin ko na canceled yung flights. Yung pala, totoo pala talaga na canceled ang flight today.
So kinahanglan ta kuan yan. Palitag mga silupin.
Pulis ta.
Pulis ta kay alam ko na worry yun si Baba.
Kita kay mo bagay ligo.
Palitag silupin or trapan.
So this is our journey going back to the US. Parang feel ko na rin na going nung last year na struggle din yung pag-uwi namin going to US. Bakit lagi na lang kami nag-i-struggle guys pag
last year po.
Pag-uwi kami ng
Iwalay
US.
mo kay nag-una si Brian ug si Brianna.
Doon kami nag-struggle going sa sa Korea. Kaya bumili na talaga ng ticket yung asawa ko kasi ayun niya ng ganito yung scenario. Same pa rin.
Same scenario. Nothing changed.
Ay. Ngayon pa talaga na sana may rebook ni Brian yung flights US na walang na
Abiria.
hindi walang aberya para mabigyan tayo ng isang no? Na instead of 25 yung flights namin gawin niyang 26 pero I'm not sure guys. Welcome home guys. Kakarating lang namin galing sa flight namin from the airport. Welcome home. Welcome home.
Welcome to Pilipinas!
Ay,
Bukulit ang buwan. Laban ko sa...
ay.
Welcome home. Welcome home.
Hala, Lilian, here shoes!
Hinso. Kamunali ko na kita kaya nag-away lang spread up. Hey,
Today. So guys, back to the house. Yeah, our flight's cancelled. Take it off your clothes. Change your clothes.
Your shoes!
Take it off your clothes. Take it off.
Okay.
What do I wear?
Take it off. Just, I will give you another clothes.
Yeah. Wala.
Hi guys, dinner time. Dinner.
Bawas?
Dinner. Yummy rice, Baba? You like your rice? GM? Malamig lang. Adanos, yummy rice?
So,
Ano sa mga kailan?
tao dito to siya ko. Dai, isa lang kami.
Hi guys! On the way kami going to Dipolog kasi yung flight namin is 12 o'clock. Going to Cebu and then Cebu to Manila. So hinahabol namin yung flights namin guys and hopefully walang mga cancellations guys kasi talagang ako guys, kinakabahan ako. Ayan, pagdating namin ng Cebu guys, cancel din yung flight namin. Buti na lang namigay sila ng mga namigay sila ng libreng pagkain doon sa Cebu. Hi guys! After a long day of flying and waiting. And next one dito kami sa Cebu guys. Sa Cebu. So ito 1 o'clock and 30 minutes AM. 1:30 AM guys. Dito na kami sa Sheraton. Nakalapag kami kanina. Thank God. Alas 10 kami nakalatag from from Dipolog kasi yung sinus na namin is Dipolog. Yung ano naman, yung paghintay namin bago kami inanuhan ng available na date is 1 oras kalahati. So, welcome to our room, guys. Sheraton Hotel! And wait, Baba are so excited to show you. She will show you something, guys. Are you ready?
Yeah. So we came in a room and then we saw this on the table. And it's a coconut macaroon plus pralines. I don't know.
And?
It's a Filipino style coconut macaroons are sweet confections that are made out of dried coconut strips that are baked then served like mini muffins. It is paired with a local chocolate praline. Indulge without any allergies berry.
Are you allergy, David?
No, but I know that my friend is.
So, room tour tayo saglit, guys. Knock, knock. Welcome. Sheraton. Sharana. Ayan. Ganda. Ayan. So, okay. So, dito ako sa bathroom nila, guys. Ang laki. Ayan. Ganda ng bathroom nila. Okay, we need to order food, guys. I'm hungry and I need to call daddy. Okay, yung bed namin, guys. 2 queen beds. Ayan. Okay. Oh, okay. Makikita nyo yung pagdating ng aeroplano.
Is this beer?
Yeah, yun. So, ayun, guys. Ang laki ng room.
Is this sparkling natural mineral water, air water? Okay, this is not. That's not
Hoy,
beer.
Liam, pataka ka dito, ha?
This, this.
Okay. So, we need to order food.
Your card bill.
It's mahal. Yeah.
Excuse me, charge the iPad.
Yeah, we will. Mag-order kami ng food, guys. I'm not sure how we can order food.
Someone just late at night.
Yeah. Okay. Our luggage here, Jen. You know,
Okay, kuya.
come on, guys. Get inside. Pangutan ano siya dyan. Asa ta mag-order ng kuan dyan. Hi guys! Ito yung mga in-order namin na food kasi gutom na gutom talaga kami. And si Liam, ayan yung order niya, chicken. Walang
Okay, we're in
katapusang
our
chicken.
hotel and we're about to go to breakfast. Say hi. Uy. My Tintin.
Liam, come here.
Say hi. Okay, we're about to go to breakfast, and mommy is still sleeping. And then we have to change our clothes because mommy's set. And this is the view.
Use my stick, Baba.
And then as you can see, there's an Air Force right there. Right there, you can see that. And then our, as you can see, I don't know if I can point it, but one of the airplanes are moving, and oh, look, it's taking off. Look, look.
No, Philippine alien just landed.
Not the Cebu Pacific.
Cebu Pacific is taking off because I can see it running. I want to see it take off. What?
Ay, wala ka flight natin, ay.
Alas 8?
Alas 8 kape na biya.
And then there's also Air Hong Kong over there. I can see something called Air Hong Kong. And we're gonna go to, we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna see you soon. Bye, guys.
to me. Because I want to swim now. And you are...
Guys, do another ghost stuff. And I'm free water. Wow. I think one.
Careful.
T-shirt and